Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. As you guys can see up on the screen today, I want to talk a little bit about Argo blockchain ADR. This is ticker symbol ARBK. And the reason we're talking about this one today is not only it was up, 11, almost 12% on the day, which is obviously a very, very good day. After hours, these gains did continue, being up another 1.4% so far after hours. We're sitting at right about $16.96 right now. But because this stock is now being traded in the United States, it is now, available and trading under this ticker symbol ARBK. So there's obviously a lot to talk about. A lot of people are wondering what's going on. This is a ticker symbol, a company, a stock that they are not familiar with possibly or haven't seen before. So we're going to be going over, what's going on with this company, what maybe the future has in store for them, and all of that in today's video. Definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Subscribe to stay up to date on all our latest content, and consider checking out the first link in the description below if you want to get a free stock just for signing up with Robinhood. With that being said, here we go. So obviously ARBK, again, its first day trading on the market in the United States. Obviously the shares started being offered at $15. They opened once, they actually hit the market and could actually be traded at $14.86 with a small dip down. But then from there, things were pretty good to go. Peaking out at $17.45 on this graph. The 52-week high tells us that things got as high as $17.67. And from there, things were down a little bit, 3, 4, 5%, something like that. But obviously still overall a very, very good first day for Argo blockchain ADR. This article from Coindesk.com explains a little bit more about what's going on with this company, this stock. Argo blockchain raises $112.5 million in U.S. share sale. The crypto miner is selling 7.5 million shares for $15 each. So obviously Argo blockchain, they are a UK listed cryptocurrency miner. And again, today they raised $112.5 million by selling the shares in their stock, again, by being available in the United States on exchanges and markets. The London-based company is selling 7.5 million American depository shares, each equivalent to 10 of its UK traded shares. The US shares are priced at $15 each. The company said in a statement Thursday in its prospectus filed with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, obviously the SEC, which was on September 14th. Argo said it expected an IPO of $18.40 based on the value of its London traded shares at the time. Again, things did not start out at $18.40. They started out at $15, then they went to $14.86, and they did not ever, get up to $18.40 or even $18 at all. So far, the highest prices we've seen is $17.67. So maybe coming up a little bit short of maybe what they initially had thought. The shares are due to start trading on the NASDAQ Global Market and will be listed under the ticker ARBK. So again, a new ticker to be looking out for. Maybe you want to throw it on a watch list. Maybe you want to keep your eyes out for this new company. And the company also owns land in West Texas for the construction of a new cryptocurrency mining facility and has been raising funds in the recent months. Since June, it has borrowed 32 million euros, right around $44 million from Galaxy Digital. So some big interesting stuff. Obviously, if you are interested in cryptocurrencies, if you want more exposure, if you are interested in cryptocurrency miners and think some of these companies can be interesting, this is maybe your chance to get in on a new a company that's now newly available on the US markets, and kind of get your hands in on an IPO for one of these things. It kind of obviously depends on where you think crypto prices are going in the short, medium, and long term, because short term, you have your thoughts and opinions of where things will go. So maybe you think it's either a good or terrible time to buy. But then again, also if you zoom out and you think crypto is going to do good in the next 5, 10, 15 years, then there probably isn't too bad of a price point to get in on a lot of these companies right now, especially if you do believe in what they have going on. You like having some exposure to the UK markets, and obviously they have some property in West Texas as well. But it seems like this company is doing some cool things. Obviously, they're spending money. They are really building up their infrastructure. And again, it is kind of interesting. And yeah, now we have this thing available to us in the United States. And so far, so good for the company. Again, up 11% today. It'll be very, very interesting to see what they're able to do over the next coming weeks and months and years. And especially once we get to see some quarterly reports from them, obviously, and kind of get some more information as far as the financials and what everything's going. But with all of these companies, to me, it's so difficult because they're all all so closely tied to how crypto is doing, the volume on crypto trading, the prices on cryptos. So really, it's hard for me to differentiate between a lot of these companies because they are all very, very similar, as long as they don't have, shady or just stupid business decision making going on behind the scenes or anything. They're all in a good spot if crypto does good. They're all in a very, very bad spot if crypto does bad. So, you're just kind of picking your poison or picking your winner between the group of them. But then also, you still have to decide, do I want to just have outright exposure to cryptocurrencies, or would I rather, be involved with a cryptocurrency miner, and where's the better returns going to be? Where's the more risk or the less risk, the higher rewards, lower rewards? I don't know. There's a lot to think about. But now you just have another company to throw into that mix. To me, it's not that exciting because, again, there's so many companies out there that I feel like already, do very, very similar things. But this is that. This is ARBK, now available, obviously, in the United States. But that's pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about ARBK. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace!